How to connect laptop to external monitor. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about that how to connect a external monitor to your laptop or computer. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Welcome to How to Do It. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Let's begin the work. We have this LED monitor and it's powered up, and we have connected this over here using HDMI cable. And if you have a VGA, just connect with VGA cable. If you have your laptop support that, choose your connector cable wisely. So now what we have to do, it's not connected and it's powered up but it's not working. What we can do, that's very easy and a great task you have to do. First of all, you have to, one second, what happened over here? Okay, now go to the start menu and type external display. Click over here. Now it's showing you the external display options. From there you have to choose this, and if you want to duplicate these displays you want to see on laptop and your monitor, then you have to choose this one, duplicate these displays, and click on keep changes. Now you can check out both monitors are working, laptop's monitor and its external monitor. But if you want to see only on this one, show only two or one, you have to choose from there, and it's working over here. So that's the way how you can easily connect your laptop to a external display. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.